second knower is the one which is a Jeev knower. 4 portions I had mentioned. Sakshi, mind, reflection of that Sakshi in the mind and the body. This is the same one. When the vritti changes, the second knower is constantly bound with the vritti. And it dies with the vritti. Vritti went away, my mood also went away. So an angry person was there, but now angry person is no more. And this is called ego. You know what one definition, many definitions of ego you will get, one definition you hear. Collection of all wrong knowers, dead knowers. I did this action. Action got over. Now I cannot repeat also. I topped in 10th class in whole state. That knower came, it went away. Now if you try, you can't top. That means that is a dead knower. But I like to collect the corpse knowers. So collection of corpse knowers is called ego. I was very sad. I felt so sad today. Why? I was thinking how sad I used to be. ऐसा हो जाता है. Supposing you are sad on a certain incident in life and you have got over it. 15 years, 20 years have passed and you remember that. You have sympathy for yourself. You used to feel, कैसे थे हम, कितने परेशान रहते थे हम. And then we say also, you don't know what I have gone through. So you are collecting that knowers. And therefore when Ramji broke the bow, and Parshuramji came and said, who broke the bow? Ramji did not say, I broke the bow. You know what he said? Hoi hai koi ek das tumhara. One servant of yours must have broken the bow. It's not that he was evading. He was not evading. But there was a philosophy that the one who broke is also gone with that bow. Therefore, egoistic person lives with something past. He will always go in the lanes of the past thing. And he will hold on to certain incident. Egoistic person is always a stubborn person. He holds on to certain point. He is not the person who will let it go. Chodo yaar, forget about it. He is not able to let it go, sorrows and joys. Why he said like that? He is not fresh at the moment. He is not available at the moment. I hope you understood little of Vijnanvad also. It's all lot to do with our life. We live as Vijnanvadi. You are thinking and you are smiling on them, but we are like that because we are not ready to go there. This is the which option? Fourth objection. Now fifth objection. Now after fifth objection, so here came Naiyayik. ये सब आते रहेंगे, बिल्कुल आप चिंता मत करना. I always think how they must be sitting together, not fighting. Please know, they are not in the mood of fighting. They are Satya Pakshpati. They say, no, please confirm how you are saying like that. And if they are convinced, they say, I leave my point. Who nahi ke they are jiddi person, no, I will not be leaving. They say, please satisfy me, I will take 1 more day, 2 more days. Well, you keep on asking. There can be matbhed, not manbhed. There is no difference of opinion, but difference of heart should not be there. So therefore always the good fight is a Vacharik Sangharsh should be there. You want to fight, I am fighting at a thought level, not at a body and ego level. Fight of ego is a bad fight. Anyway, nobody wins, both lose. So he said, I have one problem. बोले, what is the problem? बोले, I feel in our Tark Shastra, Atma is associated with the gun called Dukkham. I think I had touched upon that earlier also. बोले, what? Atma is having a gun called Dukkham. So Atma is Guni and Dukh is Gunam. बोले, okay. He said, one thing I tell you, Nayayik, that your philosophy has lot of flaws. बोले, tell me what flaws I have. I am telling you. Your Atma is Nitya or Anitya? बोले, Nitya, it is eternal. Your Dukh is Nitya or Anitya? बोले, Anitya. How can the Nitya Atma be ever associated with the Anitya Dukh? This is the first loophole and fallacy. How can they say Atma is Nitya? Achha, any gun is Anitya. Gun will be Anitya. Right? I am singer for some time. I am a speaker for some time. But Atma is to be Nitya. When Nitya Atma is there, how can it be associated with the Anitya Dukh forever? Okay. देखो. So how will you put in Sanskrit? Anitya dukkhasya nitye atmani asambhavati. फिर से बोल देते हैं. अनित्य दुःखस्य नित्ये आत्मनि असंभवति. This sorrow cannot be associated with the Nitya Atma. You know what will be the result? You will start externalizing sorrow. जो दिल पे हम लोग हर चीज ले लेते हैं ना, we are sorrow so close, I've been very sad, ऐसे जो इतना है ना प्यार है हमको इतना दुख से, so much we are embracing that, you will externalize it. बोले your philosophy has number one flaw is this. Okay. Number two flaw. बोले what is the number two flaw? In Nyaya, Atma is known by Anuman Praman. Means inference. Inference. You know why they are known by Anuman Praman? They say Atma is inert. Inert? Huh. And why they say Atma is inert? You know why they say? They say in the deep sleep, you have no experience of the Atma. Deep sleep Atma is there? Yes. But deep sleep Atma is not experienced. No. Then how do you experience Atma? Only when mind comes with the Atma. Then the property of the Atma called consciousness is born. Oh. Again, I am repeating it. Atma is inert because mind was not in deep sleep. When mind was not in deep sleep, the mind got associated with the Atma after sleep was over. And therefore, by the link called mind's association, you know Atma is there. Atma alone cannot be known. You need a mind to know the Atma. And therefore Atma is Anumeya, not Pratyaksh. Anumeya, you understand, no? Same example, fire and the forest. Forest, you see? You see some kind of smoke. So you feel there must be fire. Fire you are inferring, you don't see the fire, you just see the smoke. दिस इज देयर पॉइंट. बोले ठीक तो बात है, उनकी बात तो ठीक लग रही है हमको. क्या गलती उन्होंने बोला? आई टेल व्हाट इज द रॉन्ग. बोले फर्स्ट थिंग यू टेल योर आत्मा इज नोन थ्रू इन्फरेंस एंड दुख इज नोन थ्रू इन्फरेंस और इट इज प्रत्यक्ष. बोले इट इज प्रत्यक्ष. वन इज नोन थ्रू इन्फरेंस एंड वन इज नोन प्रत्यक्ष, देन बोथ शुड बी टुगेदर. दोनों के धर्म अलग हो गया. Then how can you say that it is associated with the Atma? Then you can say that Dukh should be also known by inference. But Dukh you know directly in your mind. But Atma you don't know directly in your mind. And therefore, this is the second fallacy in your philosophy. Well, but I said no, in the deep sleep, Atma is not known, then Atma is Jad. Is it right or wrong? Well, totally wrong. Well, anything what I say is wrong only. No, I'll tell you why it is wrong. Why it is? You are saying Atma is Jad in the deep sleep. Yes. What do you want to say? I mean to say there is nothing in that because I don't know. Well, hold on. In the deep sleep, you know that I did not know anything. To know I did not know anything, you should be there. One who is totally absent, this paperweight won't know that nobody is there. When you get up in the morning, you say, I did not know anything in the deep sleep. So there was a knower of not knowing anything. That means it was not Jad Atma, it was a Chetanatma. And before that, I will quote the scriptures, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Atma is also of the nature of consciousness, not the inert anywhere. Okay. This is the second fallacy. Second, no? Third? Second. Okay. बोले सुनिए, which mantra is going on? My dear, sa esha iha pravishtaha, that discussion is going on. This is classical Vedanta. You have to get habituated to it. They will not leave any scope untouched if it is there. बोले तुम पूछो जितना क्वेश्चन पूछना. I'll clear all your doubts about Atma. Third fallacy. Well, what is the third fallacy? You say Atma is all pervading. Well, I say that. And you just now said Atma, when it comes in contact with the mind, then the consciousness comes out. Yes, well, I said that. And in the mind, the sorrows and joys come. Well, I said that. Well, you don't take your words back. Okay, what I'm saying? Well, yes, I'm saying yes. Well, everything is recorded. Video, audio, both. Well, yes. Sukh, dukh is all pervading or less pervading? Well, less pervading because vritti also has a shape. Every vritti has akar. Can all pervading be associated with less pervading? Wow. There is one Nyaya line, those who love that, they say, Murta Dravyoho eva sanyoga. Addition is possible only among the things which have a shape. Murta Dravyoho eva sanyoga. This is from Nyaya. He uses Nyaya to put them. He said, you say that addition is possible only between two things which have a shape. Well, yes. When your Atma is all pervading and this mind is less pervading, how can you have sanyog between Atma and Dukh? You got it now? Atma is all pervading. Dukh is less pervading. So concrete thing alone can combine. Two things which are concrete. Concrete means shape. I can't combine water with the space. I can combine water with the cloth. I can combine water with the air. You can say air is more humid, less humid. I can combine water with the wood. I can combine water with the earth. I can combine water with the fire also. But you cannot combine the water with the space, because it has no space where water will go. Because this mixture is possible when there is a third there. When there is, you know what is the meaning of mixture of two things? What? In that thing there is absence. And where that is absence, there other thing comes and that fills that absence. I can hold this hand because there are portions in the hand where nothing is there. Therefore I can hold this hand tightly. I can't hold this space because there is nothing where space is not there. If I could have a space where space is not there, I could have idhar pakad liya space wahan se. But I cannot hold the space. Dukh is finite. Atma is all pervading. How are you talking about the mixture of the Atma with the space? Three fallacies. हवा निकाल दिया. You please read it. I can show it where it is. Hence, there is no question of Atma joining the mind and Dukkham. And therefore, what therefore? Therefore, Jivatma is Paramatma. Sa Eshaha Iha Pravishtaha. Very good. I agree that. I agree, will agree. One Jain was also sitting there. I am not saying Jain Dharma, Jain Darshan, Jain Darshan. 9 philosophies are there. 3 are Nastic, 6 are Astic. He said, I have a point. Only what point is there? You are saying Atma is all pervading and therefore problem is coming. Atma is Sharir Vyapi. Atma is of the shape of body. That is called Madhyam Parimana. Now, when Atma is of the shape of body, then we can have Dukkham, no? Because Atma now is finite, now Dukkham can be associated. He says no. He refutes it very short. He says, if Atma has, you tell me, your Atma is Nitya or Anitya? Bole Nitya. Anything with a shape is always Anitya. Anything with a shape is always Anitya. So yat sa avayavatvam tat anityatvam. फिर से सुनो. Yat sa avayavatvam. Wherever anything is with part, tat anityatvam. You cannot talk of the Nitya Atma with a shape. If you are talking of a Nitya Atma, you please correct yourself. You please say it is Niravayava, without parts. Avinashi tu tadvidhi yena sarvam idam tatam. Okay. I hope you are now much clearer about these points. There is no problem, and therefore you have to accept what I say. Okay. Then they said, this Jain Darshan said, he said, have you seen diamond? Well, yes, I have seen diamond. Well, diamond is for endless time. It is a shape, but it is nitya. Because to form diamond, क्या example देते हैं? The diamond is formed after that particular thing is for billions of years. Only you are saying diamond is nitya because you have not seen the start of that. But diamond also has a start. It was not that diamond was forever. And therefore your point does not hold good. And therefore I have to conclude what? Jivatma is Paramatma. Paramatma is Jivatma. Please don't mistake, don't take the three parts. Don't take the three parts. Mithya ansh don't take. Take the Satya ansh of the Jeev. And the scriptures, Jeev is mentioned as Mithya also and Satya also. In Prashnopanishad, Jeev is mentioned as Chhaya, Mithya. Wherever Mithya is said, it is this three. And wherever Satya is there, it is this one. Sa eshaha. And therefore Mahavakya says Tattvamasi. It is mentioning this amsh of the Jeev, not the total Jeev. Hope you are not tired. Well, I'm so tired. How long this will continue? This is not getting over also. This completes the Anupravesh Bhashya. Thank God. Don't think it is all over. Anupravesh Bhashya is over, but another will start. And whole thing is not to get associated with this I. This I, which is Jivatma I, this was born, got associated with the body, which is studied, which worked, which cried, which laughed, which lives. देखो क्या अच्छा शब्द है, lives. Lives is a verb. There is movement involved. Living is a verb. Talking, walking, thinking, laughing, hearing, eating. You are living. ये देखो, living. Living, that means I am moving I. ये हमारा, ये जिसको हमारा अपना मानते हैं हम. And you know what we work for? बड़ी अजीब से जीवन है हमारा. बोले I am working in a project, Swami. I am working a lot. I am burning every midnight oil. What is the meaning of work? I project some future I and my present I. Work is the way to attain the future I. Action. You have projected one future. I am going to be engineer. I am going to be businessman. Dissatisfaction with this one unreal and aiming at another unreal I. This is called samsari. Samsari is aiming at another unreal I. And supposing he will be happy for some time, it will project another I then. This deer doesn't stop running in the mirage water after he realizes there was no water. Still it runs, he sees somewhere else. And supposing it doesn't get that eye, तब तो दुख में डूब गए हम. I went to astrologer. Now astrologer, I am asking, what is my condition now? पानी में मीन प्यासी रे, मुझे देखत देखत आवत हासी रे. Kabir will say, fish is thirsty in the water. यही चल रहा है. You think Vedanta is something, it is not some philosophy to be read and kept. It is about a very personal matter. More personal than their house, husband, wife, children, money. They are external, but this is much personal matter. अब हमें वो जो आई चाहिए, which is already there, which is already unlimited. Now, coming to the mantra part. Mantra says, Sa Esha Iha Pravishtaha Anakhagrebhyah. Up till the nak means nails. Up till the nails. It means, does not mean inside the nails. This is called excluding the nails. In Sanskrit, it is called Maryada and Abhividhi is there. Up till. Up till can exclude that thing and include that thing also. One is called Maryada, other is called Abhividhi. Okay. Up till Himalayas, so I include the Himalayas. Up till death, body is there. You have to exclude death. Till in death body, person is not. Up till death, I will keep on talking. That means before I die. Not that after. You are not including death. So Sanskrit uses the word Maryada and Abhividhi. So Anakhagrebhyah, up till death. So Sa Iha Pravishtaha Anakhagrebhyah. अब इसका क्या हुआ बेचारे का? किसका? अब ये जो साक्षी था, साक्षी तो रहा नहीं ज़्यादा. हमें दिखते ही नहीं साक्षी. I identified with the thought. Sakshi as if fell on the thought as if fell in the body, and it is all pervading now. Got identified with one body. Who? That's same Atma as if, not really, as if. As if. It is still there. When you are crying, then also Sakshi is quietly watching the crying. When you are in pain, tremendously physical pain, then also Sakshi is watching that pain. Therefore I say, don't make your physical problem emotional problem. दर्द है. Don't possess the pain. है, दिख रहा है दर्द में, अनुभव हो रहा है. Moment you say, I have the pain and I am in terrible pain, what will happen? You are forgetting that I. Supposing I have joy also, I have God also, I have Guru also, I have good wife also, I have good husband also, I have good house also, I have good job also. Every I have you have removed and you have taken one I have. Mistake क्या हो रही है आपसे? God is there also in life. Why couldn't you say at that time I have God also? You can say I have God also, I have Guru also, I have house also, I have good father, mother also, I have children also, I have pain also if you have to say. But when you say I have terrible pain, you are making that objective pain too subjective. And therefore I say that physical problem has now permeated emotionally. और फिर कोई याद नहीं आएगा फिर आपको. है पेन है, हमारे गुरु भी है, भगवान भी है, पेन भी है. दिख रहा हमको. You can cry also, but don't forget all these what you have. If you want to cry, you can cry. For some time, wash your face and come out. You can cry. But why are you forgetting all these factors which are in your life? When you have pain, you don't have father, you don't have mother, you don't have guru, you don't have God, you don't have any good thing in your life. एक ही चीज रह गई आपके पास. ये कैसी बात करते हो? ये तो गलत बात है. बोले आई हैव सॉरो, फिर तुम गड़बड़ कर गए. आई इतनी जल्दी पजेस क्यों करते हो उसको? इतनी चीज तुम्हारे, उसको भी पजेस करो ना. And then that remains in the mind. I have pain, I have pain, I have so much of pain. I'm so. And after anything becomes emotional, the weakness come in family. So all will come. Nobody is there with me. I have to go my life all alone. Who will help me? I don't know what my fate is. सब भूल गया. All Vedant, अब सब गया. How long are you there? I'm so unfortunate. See, he is very fortunate. And this thought will go in cycle now. You are in a circle now. And this is called depression. Thought, Sakshi was there. Sakshi reflected in the thought, Antakaran. That mind pervaded, and up till the toes and the nails, ये यहाँ तक पहुँच गए. अब फिर क्या हुआ? We'll see it tomorrow.